Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, I was looking at this washing machine, changed the agitator dogs, it's in another video, and I noticed it has no covers on these electrical outlets, and that's not good. What I've got is these special covers. These are Decora covers, and we're going to be adding this today to make this right and to make this safer, because that's not safe back there just being exposed with no covers on them. So, get into this. So I've got one that's plugged in. So I need to pull the plug to do this, and I don't want to lose my plug, so I'm going to do the bottom one first. Get a couple screws ready here. Alright, so the first one, just going to reach this back carefully and put that on there. There it is, right there. Nice and easy. Now I got the screw. Carefully going to insert it in the center. Oh shoot. Yeah, looks like. There it is. Okay. Nice and easy. Okay. My battery's kind of low. Okay. I'll need to switch batteries to use the flash, which is also my light. Okay. Switch the battery out, so I got my flash back. Eat your heart out, Apple. Can't do that with an Apple. Alright. But, you can plug it in and charge it, but you can't change out the battery. What I really like about this phone. Okay, I'm going to pull my plug real careful. I'm just temporarily going to kind of plug it in the bottom one to hold it. And then I'm going to grab our new cover for the top one. Okay. There we go. Very careful here. And that. There we are. Lined up. Okay. And the screw. Yep. Important things to look for on when you have renovations going. Make sure everything gets covered properly, especially the stuff that's hidden behind, because those are the easiest things to get missed. So, got a flat blade screw. And it's kind of why these are good to get these things first when the washing machine's out, not in your way, and then it won't be as much of a struggle. It's not too bad, but you know, it'd be easier without the washing machine being here. For some reason this one's a little bit hard to turn. At least now we've got a cover on there. It's much safer. I like to set these nice and vertical. Fortunately, my flash is overheated. So now I can move it up and plug it in. There we go. Okay, and then I just need to tighten down the bottom one. Same thing, it's just switching it in. Screwdriver, not too bad. It was a little easier with my flash. But we'll manage. There it is. All done, nice and tight, nice and safe now. It's a done deal. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.